Setting up a customer record as a principal contractor will enable you to create RCT transactions for them, such as sales invoices and credit notes. For the reverse charge to be applied to VAT, the principal contractors must be VAT registered. Their VAT registration number must be entered in the contact record. First, navigate to Contact and click Customers. Locate the relevant customer, and to open it, click on it within the customer list. In the Options tab, check you've entered their VAT registration number. If this is not entered, click the pencil icon, enter it here, and save your changes. Select the RCT tab. To edit the RCT status, click the pencil icon. Select this checkbox, and to save these settings, click Save. The RCT tab will also appear when you set up new customer records. Let's move on to supplier records. To mark a supplier as a subcontractor for RCT, navigate to the relevant supplier in the list. Enabling RCT in a supplier record will flag them as a subcontractor and enable you to create RCT transactions for this contact. Within the supplier contact record, select the RCT tab, then click the pencil icon. Select the checkbox here. You can choose a default deduction rate from the drop-down menu. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save.